What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and are having a great week as usual. We've got another Jordan 1 on hand today. Since I saw the sneak peek images of these last year, I already made up my mind that these were a big need, especially if you're a Jordan 1 fan, and it's going to be the Jordan 1 High UNC Blue. If you aren't already aware, the UNC Blue is especially iconic in Jordan brand because Michael Jordan used to be from UNC, the University of North Carolina. That's why when anything from Jordan brand drops in that UNC colorway, all the Jordan hits kind of go crazy. And of course, before we begin, guys, I'm going to be hitting these with a quick lace swap. We'll be going with the sail white laces from my friends at Factory Knots today. These are the 180 cm ones made for the Jordan 1. So let's get that done real quick and then on to the unboxing, guys. So getting right into it, this time we have the usual black and red Nike box, extra matching UNC blue laces, the original black ones, and now getting into the shoe, we've got that nice tumbled leather white base for all you tumbled leather Jordan fans out there, a Nubuck Suede UNC blue upper, a black swoosh in that tumbled leather as well, more tumbled leather black accents on the ankle collar area, the Air Jordan Wings logo in black, matching UNC Blue Outsoles, a white nylon tongue, the Nike Air logo in that black and UNC blue, and finally, sail white laces to finish it off. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and style tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the Jordan 1 High UNC Blues. Let me know which is your favorite look 1, 2 or 3. This isn't the first time Jordan brand has done the UNC colorway on the ones, but this iteration with the black accents has got to be my personal favorite. Again, you can't go wrong with a pair of ones. Timeless, easy to style, and just a really good looking shoe in general. But with that being said, it's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoyed my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace. See you guys again soon.